Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. The fall season is upon us, and today I'm doing another smoked dessert. Just a really delicious sweet treat, perfect for the fall. Today we are making smoked stuffed apples. That's right, we're gonna take some beautiful apples, we're gonna core them, take the core out, we're gonna stuff them with some delicious ingredients, and we're gonna throw them on the smoker. It's never been easier to make a delicious sweet treat. So let's go ahead and get started on this delicious dish. All right, for today's dish, we are using Honeycrisp apples. These look incredible, and we're gonna just core them. Now, you could just use an apple corer. Of course, I don't have one of those. So instead, I'm gonna do it kind of the old-fashioned way. We're gonna come in here with a knife and just sort of go around and make a little kind of a circle, not that far deep in. We don't want actually these to be super deeply cored. Just kind of like that. All right, and now using a spoon, we'll just come in here and gently just go around and start to pry outward until we get that core to just pop out. It should be now, just like that. And now we'll just come in here with the spoon and continue to get some of that core out. We want to definitely get all of those seeds out. And you want to be careful when you're doing it this method not to press too hard on the outside of the apple so you don't like crush it. I think that's probably pretty good. All right, so there's one. I do have 6 total, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these. All right, I've got my apples done here, and I'm just going to add them to a cast iron pan, just like so. And I do want to kind of make sure that they're touching each other because that's gonna help them to stand up all the way after they cook. All right, now let's set this to the side and let's make our filling. We start with 6 tablespoons of melted butter. I love butter. And now to that, we'll add a ½ cup of packed brown sugar. And we'll just mix that together. Just till it's combined. Next, we'll add a ½ cup of chopped pecans. Pecans. Followed by 1/2 cup of dried cranberries. Teaspoon of cinnamon. About a ½ teaspoon of nutmeg. And let's mix all that up. Woo, the smell just hit me. All right, back to our apples. We're just gonna spoon this into the apples just like that. Try to make it as even as possible. Uh-oh, gotta run away here. Oh, there we go. All right, and there we go. All right, let's go over to the Pit Boss and talk about how we're gonna make these. All right, today I have the Pit Boss Savannah Onyx edition. It's fired up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to smoke these apples in there just until they become nice and almost mushy, where the skin is a little bit soft. That's gonna take about an hour to an hour and a half. Obviously, there's nothing like inedible about this at any temperature, so you could eat them however, but that's what we're gonna be going for today. Obviously, when you're doing a dessert like this, a fruit blend is a really, really good blend of pellet to use. I'm still using the cherry blend from when I just did that smoked salmon. These are phenomenal pellets. I love them for desserts. You could also go with like a competition blend or something that's kind of mild. You know, you wouldn't want to do like a mesquite or something like that that's really heavy woodsy on something like this. So like I said, about an hour, hour and a half, we'll be back out to check on them, and I can't wait for you to see what these look like in the end. All right, let's put them right there. And there we have it. We'll see you in about an hour, hour and a half when we take a look at them next. All right, it has been exactly an hour and a half, and I believe that these apples are done. Let's take a look. Oh man, look at that. Woo. They are perfectly soft, but not too soft. Let's go ahead and take them off. And here they are. Wow, look at that. Woo, woo, woo. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell this right now, because that smell is, oh, holy smokes. These are gonna be so good. All right, let's go ahead and plate. All right, we start with our beautiful smoked stuffed apple. Gosh, look at that. Woo! Next, right over to the side, just put a little scoop of vanilla ice cream, and then for beauty purposes, some fresh mint. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous that is. Look at the beautifulness, the beautifulality, the you know what I'm saying. Oh my gosh, it looks incredible. Oh my gosh. Just look at that. How amazing does that look? The only thing better than the look is the smell, and hopefully the taste. All right, the time is here. It is time to try this delicious looking apple stuffed, apple smoky apple thing. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, the sweetness. The sweetness of the apple, the sweetness with the brown sugar, the little bit of tartness with the cranberries, a little bit of crunch with the pecan. Wow. This is next level. I mean, what else can you say? But holy smokes. That is amazing. It's the perfect texture. You mix it with that ice cream. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And you gotta try this. You saw how easy this was. We just took 6 apples, we cored them out, we threw some stuff in them, and we smoked them. How much easier can you get? Well, I'm gonna take this inside and devour this apple, and probably some of the other ones too. But thank you once again for tuning into the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel, and if you like this video, make sure that you click that thumbs up to give us a like. That really does help other people find the channel. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you are one of the first people to know as soon as we post new content here on the channel. And if you're looking for some other ideas of some smoked desserts to do, check out one of these 2 videos right here. These are some incredible desserts that we've made here on the channel. Your smoker is not just for meat, it can be for sweets as well. So check those out, and I'll see you next time.